Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Is your Apple ID giving you a headache? Many users experience a verification error when trying to sign into iCloud or other services. If you're getting a message that reads, "There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server," there are a few things you can try in order to get your device back up and running. Way 1. Force restart iPhone. This way can help you fix many small problems. You can try it for iPhone 8 or later. Press volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold side button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone screen. Just like this. If still abnormal, you can try the next way. Way 2. Reset all settings. In this way, you can reset some settings to fix this problem. Here, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Reset. Reset all settings. Just like this. Then you can check it. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a powerful repair tool that can fix more than 150 phone problems. I suggest you try it. Now open it on your computer, then connect your iPhone. Let's go back to UltFone iOS System Repair, and then click Start button. Here we click Standard Repair to proceed. This option will save your data and you can use it with confidence. Okay, the firmware has been downloaded. Just click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done! It's so magical, right? So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.